With regard to Syria, we indeed are worried by Turkish. By the way, it's not only in Syria. They play a negative role in Syria. They play a negative role in Lebanon. They play a negative role in. They have aspiration all over the region and in other regions of the world, and specifically they are having aggressive attitude towards the Kurdish autonomy, Rojava, in the northern part of Syria.
Are you cooperating also with Washington and London about this threat?
They are doing their utmost to have Syria as a Turkish protectorate. It's clear that this is their intention. We don't think that it was good when Syria was in an Iranian proxy, kind of Iranian proxy, and we don't think that Syria should be a Turkish protectorate.